Esgusodi, making excuses. Nawr te, I'm sure none of you are familiar with gwneud esgusodion. Esgusodi, making excuses. Esgusodion, excuses. Oh, where's the emphasis? Ready? Esgusodion. Nawr te, da iawn, esgusodion. I was going to ask you, John, to put on the gloves, but we'll wait till the next time and you can have a go with the gloves. Nawr te, esgusodion. Excuses. Nawr te, mae'n flin dy fi. I'm sorry, that usually comes before making the excuse, doesn't it? Mae'n flin dy fi, mae rhaid I fi. Now you notice the my there is in brackets. I must, there is a necessity for me to do something. Mae rhaid I fi. There's a sense of urgency there, isn't there? A weithiau, sometimes, rhaid I fi is there without the my. Rhaid I fi. It does have a little bit more punch, and you know how we like punching in this classroom. Punch. Rhaid I fi fynd. Treiglad meddal, rhaid I fi fynd. Don't worry too much about the treiglad meddal ar hyn o bryd. Rhaid I fi fynd. Rhaid I ni fynd. We have to go. Or mae rhaid I fi fynd. Mae'n flin dy fi. I'm sorry. Mae'n flin dy fi. Yn y gogledd, mae'n ddrwg gynnau. Mae'n ddrwg gynnau. Slightly different there. It's slightly more guttural, harder, isn't it? But I wouldn't worry. Mae'n flin dy fi yn y de, and you're quite understood. The excuse is coming. You know the build-up. Mae'n flin dy fi. Uh-oh. Rhaid I fi fynd. I have to go. The question, oes rhaid? Is there a necessity for you to go? Oes rhaid I chi fynd? And the yes? Oes. 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 Rhaid. Oes. Full stop. It's like a big punchy full stop there. Oes. Mae rhaid I fi fynd. Back to the statement. Or just the oes. Simply oes. And the no? Nac oes. Nac oes. And what happens after the no then? Not nac oes, mae rhaid I fi fynd. Does dim. Does dim rhaid I fi fynd. Da iawn. Nawr te, pam? Why? Mae'n flin dy fi. Rhaid I fi fynd. Mae'n hwyr. Mae'n hwyr. It's late. Dwi'n hwyr. I'm late. Dwi'n dal y bws. I'm catching the bus. Oh, this one, dwi'n teimlo'n dost. Dwi'n teimlo'n dost. Ac yn y gogledd, dwi'n teimlo'n sal. I love the word sal. It works, doesn't it? But better. To bach, sal. So we elongate those vowels. Sal. Iawn. So mae'n flin dy fi. I have to go. Oes rhaid I chi fynd? Oes o nac oes. Mae sgript bach gyda fi. Oes rhaid I chi adael nawr? Do you have to gadael nawr? Leave now? Oes yn anffodus. Now that's a useful word, an anffodus, yeah? Dyna dreni. Mae'n flin dy fi, rhaid I fi fynd, I have to go. And what do you normally say after that? Mae rhaid I fi fynd. Oh, okay then, so... Iawn. Popeth yn iawn. Popeth yn iawn. Welai chi yn y bore, see you in the morning or whatever. Popeth yn iawn. Or the other one, which I love, dim problem. Dim problem. It depends. Think of rabbits. Mae'n dibynnu. I love that word. I just thought, mae'n dibynnu. Mae'n dibynnu. Nawr ten. Oes rhaid I chi fynd? Oes yn anffodus. Mae sgript bach gyda fi fan hyn, so that we're ymarfer eto y patrymau. We actually have an opportunity with these scripts to practice, put into practice some of the words. Iawn, esgusodion, excuses, which I'm sure we've all had to make in our time. Iawn? Felly, nawr te, Holly, wyt ti am ddarllen y sgript I ni? A Louise? Iawn? A Marie, dwi'n meddwl. Iawn? Felly, gadewch I ni glywed yr hanes. Let's hear how somebody tries to get out of a certain situation here. Iawn te? Barod? Oh, da iawn. Oh, you have to do that again. I was feeling it there. Shock. Wow, da iawn. O'r dechrau. Would you like some opening music to this? Okay, dim problem. Take it away.
Mae flin gyda fi. Dwi'n hwyr. Roedd rhaid I fi fynd y meddyg.
Popeth yn iawn, dych chi'n dost?
Ydw, dwi'n dost iawn.
O, dia, trieni, oes rhaid I chi fynd adre nawr?
Oes, and unfortunately,
Yn anffodus, yes. Na, dim problem go. Yn anffodus. Unfortunate is the same thing. We know where you're coming from. Yn anffodus, yeah.
Rhaid I fi fynd i'r llyfr i brynu moddion. A wedyn rhaid I fi dal y bus adre.
Iawn.
Dwi'n teimlo yn ofnadwy.
Said with feeling.
Rhaid I fi adael y ffrys.
Da iawn.
Wrth gwrs, weler I chi yfory.
Iawn. Diolch, hwyl.
Hwyl fawr.
Now, later that evening, a phone call is made to Holly's home. Or in this case, Mary's home. Iawn, ta?
Helo, Mari.
Nage, ei chwaith sy'n siarad. Dydy Mari ddim yma ar hyn o bryd. Mae wedi mynd I parti yn Abertawe.
Nawr te, Esgusodion wedi mynd I barti yn Abertawe. Felly, popeth yn iawn. That's okay, popeth yn iawn. Treni, isn't it? Pity, that's a pity. Fferyllfa, the chemist. Nawr, fferyllfa, dwi'n meddwl o'r gair Virgil, o'r enw bardd yn Rhufain, dwi'n meddwl. Oedd a poet who was very good about making, you know, remedies and what have you, a very knowledgeable man. So I believe. Ofnadwy. We had that terrible. Ar frys. I'm in a hurry, ar frys. Felly, ymarfer y patrymau, rhaid I fi fynd. Why, Pam, for all these reasons, just ymarfer, trio. Iawn? I'm sure you'll find an opportunity to use Esgusodion. Iawn? Dim problem. Wel, rhaid I mi fynd nawr. Pam, achos rhaid I fi ddal y bws. I have to catch the bus. Oes rhaid I ti fynd, Louise? Do you have to go? Oes rhaid I ti fynd?
Rhaid I fi fynd adre achos dwi'n hwyr.
Achos dwi'n hwyr, rhaid I fi fynd adre, achos dwi'n hwyr. Now te, Angela, oes rhaid I chi, I'm going to use chi, because we're going to do tea later on. Oes rhaid I chi fynd?
Oes.
Yn anffodus, Pam?
Wel, rhaid I fi fynd i'r gwaith.
O, fi fynd i'r gwaith, o, treni. John, oes rhaid I chi fynd?
Oes.
O, Pam?
Rhaid I fynd I tŷ bach.
Rhaid I fi fynd i'r tŷ bach. Rhaid I fi fynd i'r tŷ bach. Marie, oes rhaid I chi fynd?
Oes.
O, Pam?
A rhaid I fi fynd i'r dafan.
I'r dafan, rhaid I fi fynd. Well, just a girl, mae'n Philip, oes rhaid I chi fynd?
Oes, Sian.
Pam?
Mae hi'n amser coffi.
Mae'n amser coffi, syniad da. Rheswm da, good reason. Holly, oes rhaid I chi fynd?
Oes, rhaid I fi fynd ymlacio yn yr ardd.
I ymlacio yn yr rhaid. Wel, mae rhaid I ni gyd fynd nawr yn dos e. Tan yr wythnos nesa? Hwyl. Hwyl.
Mae'n flin dy fi, Gareth. Roedd problem ar y ward.
Haid a phoeni. Faint o'r gloch di hi?
3. Ys dim pwynt mynd I weld y ffilm nawr.
Na. Oh, wel. Wimpy?